might have the best video out there, but without an eye-catching thumbnail, your video could go unnoticed. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to create an eye-catching thumbnails that viewers want to click on your video whenever they see your video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Pearl, and today we are going to be talking about a super important topic for every growing YouTuber. So before we go into the tutorials on how to create an eye-catching thumbnails, there are a few things I want to spill out. Now, number one, why is thumbnail important? Yeah, the thumbnail. It's your first impression and to tell viewers what your video is all about. So having an eye-catching thumbnails give you a guarantee that people would love and want to watch your video. Now, a great thumbnail can increase your click-through rate. That's your CTR. Yes, a great thumbnail can increase your click-through rate and help you stand out in a series of videos. When I mean in a series of videos, you know, YouTube, there are so many creators. You're not the only one creating content on YouTube. So if you want to stand out, if you want people to see your videos, to watch your videos, an eye-catching thumbnail is one of the important things you need to note. Remember, people will judge a video by its thumbnail before even clicking your video. Now, step 2, keep your thumbnail simple and clean. When you're creating your thumbnail, keep it very simple and clean because you want the thumbnail to be very easy to read and understand by your viewers. Avoid cluttering that thumbnail with too much images, too much text, or too many elements. You have to choose the focal point, whether it's your face, an interesting image from the video, or something that represents the content. A clean, simple thumbnail will make it easy for viewers to tell what your video is all about, especially on mobile phones where thumbnail seems to be more smaller. So you want to make that thumbnail very easy, simple, to be readable and understandable. The next thing you have to do is to use bold and readable text. Yes, make use of bold and readable text. Text is a great way to add context to your thumbnail, but you have to make sure it's legible. Use big and bold text that are easy to be readable when using a mobile phone, because you know most viewers, they view from their mobile phone. So make sure to use a very big, bold and sweet text when creating your thumbnail. For example, if you have a dark background, make sure to use light text, and if you have a light background, make sure to use dark text. Yes, and make sure the text doesn't overpower the main image. Although creating thumbnails, you have to be very creative. If you've watched this video up to this point, please hit the like button, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Now the next step we are going to talk about is high quality images. When I say high quality images, doesn't mean you have to go to the photo studio to get these images. You can get these images with your phone. A blurry or pixelated images won't do justice to your thumbnail. If you're using an image of yourself, make sure the image is clear and make sure the image has good lighting, no shadows or overexposure of that image. You want your thumbnail to look sharp and high quality to give the impression that your content is professional. Now the next thing, faces are must. You might have seen most big YouTubers, if you go to their page and look at their thumbnails, you will see they are using faces. For example, if you want to create a very happy video, you want your images to be in a happy mood. If you're creating a surprise video, you want your face to be surprised. If you're creating a sad video, you want your face to be sad. So faces are must. Now these faces gives the impression or tells the viewers that, oh, this video I'm about to watch is an exciting video. Oh, this video I'm about to watch is a sad video. So faces are must when creating your thumbnail. Now the next thing is playing with colors. Colors play a huge role in making your thumbnail pop. Yes, if you want your thumbnail to pop, you have to be very creative with colors. Bright colors like red, yellow and blue tends to play great role when it comes to thumbnail creation, and it also tends to grab more attention. But don't be afraid to try out or experiment other colors. Just be sure that the color you use align with the vibe of your video. Very important. Also use colors that complement each other. You don't want your thumbnail to be looking like color blocking or like rainbow explosion. Keep your thumbnail visually attractive. Now there are several tools you can use. You can use Canva, you can use Adobe Photoshop, but today we are going to be using CapCut to create a very simple thumbnail. Now that I've given you the tips and tricks of creating a very simple and high quality thumbnail, let's dive right into the video.
What you need to do is to head over to Pinterest, click on Pinterest. We can say an office background, something. Okay, this one, I think this one is good. Now once you have seen the image that you like, you click on that three dots and you download this image into your phone. After you have successfully downloaded this image into your phone, you head over to CapCut, click on CapCut, click on new project, you import the background you want to use into CapCut. Now after importing the background, the next thing you want to do is to import the image you want to use for this thumbnail. Then for you to import the image, you need to click on overlay, add overlay. Let's say for example we want to use this image, you add. Now the image is here. The next thing you want to do is remove background for this image. To remove background, you have to click on the image, then remove BG auto removal. Now you see the background is removed, you click OK. Can zoom it in or zoom it out. Now the next thing to do is to write your caption. Next thing you want to do, make sure you adjust this image properly. Maybe you want to do a thumbnail that says how to clone your video. Now the next thing to do is to click on add text. This text box will open, then you type how to clone your video. Click. Now after writing this out, you look for a way to arrange this first. Oh, how, not hot, how. Now you have to be creative when it comes to this. Now you can say how to clone your video. Now to change the color of this text, you click on the text. You can change the font. Let's change the font to maybe this. You change the second font to maybe this. Now to change the colors, to make it a little bit colorful, you click and you go to styles. Now there are different colors here. You can choose any color of your choice. Maybe let's use pink for the how to clone. Then your videos, the write up saying your videos, You can choose any color of your choice. You just have to be creative. Maybe you want it to have a background. You just have to be creative when it comes to this. Now maybe you want to use a particular app to you want to teach them how to use a particular app to clone their videos. Maybe let's say CapCut. I already have a screenshotted CapCut. Now you click on overlay, add overlay, click on the CapCut, you add it. Just remove background from the CapCut, remove background. While that is removed, you can use your hand to reduce the CapCut sign. You can tweak this CapCut any way you like. With this, you're having a good thumbnail for your videos. Now, mind you, you can still go further to edit. Maybe you want to adjust the lightning. You can click adjust, then the brightness. You can just, you see, anyone you want. You can click on the brightness if you want the image to be bright, the contrast, saturation, anyhow you want to do it, sharpen, or you can even click on vignette. Anyhow, with this now you can just screenshot and use it for your thumbnail. Then I crop it, and with this, is this not looking beautiful?
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content like this, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.